In this lesson, we will discuss doors and windows. And doors are for providing access or rather entry and exit into the building. And the second function of the door is to prevent entry or exit out of the building. That is depending on whether the door is going to be open or closed. Windows are for providing daylighting and for allowing free flow of air into and out of the room. So we need to have a way of accessing our building. So we start with the entry porch. We will have empty openings here in these walls. So what we do, we go to design, architectural tools, and then we activate the door tool. So when the door tool is activated, we'll open the settings dialog for the door. When that opens, you notice that here we have different options that are available for us. We have empty door openings, we have garage doors, we have hinged doors, we have rotating doors, sliding folding doors, and storefronts. For the walls that I was showing you, we need to have arc-like openings, and these are under empty door openings. So click on empty door openings folder, then select this first one, which is arc top door opening 24. So click on it to select it. You notice we have a preview here, and that preview is this is how it is going to look on 2D floor plan. So select that, then click OK, then place one here. How you place it is that you move the cursor up to the point where you see this that icon start showing. Then when you click once, then you click to show how the door is going to open. You click to release, we'll have placed that door. So another one there. So we have empty openings in the entry porch. So this is how it looks in 3D. This is what we are trying to achieve. So let's get back to 2D. In the area where we have the yard, which is this one, we need an empty opening here, another one here, another one here. For this lesson, we are just going to place them in their relevant places. Then we'll have another lesson that will dive deep into editing how they appear, both on plan and in 3D. So we have those, and we need other doors for accessing now the house. So we get back to the settings dialog again, and then under hinged doors, scroll down and select door 24, then click OK. So we'll have a door here. So you move the cursor until you have that showing a start. Then you click and specify the direction into which it will be opening, and then click to place it. So we have a door there. We have a door providing access to the kitchen from the dining room, and we have a door providing access to the kitchen from the yard. So this opens towards the outside that way. Then we have a door opening into this bedroom. We have another one here. We have this, and we have this one that opens to this bedroom. We have also a door to this bedroom, all two. We have another one here, and another one here. So just follow along with what I'm doing, then you'll be able to place the doors correctly. So we get back to the settings dialog again for the door tool, and empty door openings, we select arc top door opening 24. Then we put an opening here, so that if you look at the plan, we have access the building through the entry porch. There is a door that leads us to the lounge. So from the lounge, which is our main circulation area, we are able to access the kitchen through this door, and we are able to exit the building through this door. And from there, we are also able to access these bedrooms with all these doors and this washroom, rather the wet areas. So that's how to place the doors. So we look at the next thing, which is windows. And windows, we access them by going to design, architectural tools, then we activate windows. So we open the settings dialog for the windows. So we have these options that are there. We have basic windows, we have bay and bow windows, empty window openings, historic windows, single double hung windows, sliding windows, special windows, and storefronts. Under basic windows, we have an option for window 24, which is selected right now. Without worrying about all these text and settings that you see here, just click OK. Then let's go ahead and place our windows. So we start with this bedroom. It's the same procedure with the doors. You move the cursor up to that point where you want to place the door, or sorry, where you want to place the window. Then this icon that represents the sun should be, this is where now the light is coming from. So when you have it there, you just click and then click twice to place it. So then we have another window here. So just click and place it. Let's get to this bedroom, and we have one window here. We have a window to this wet area. We have another one here. We go to this bedroom, two windows. We have one here, and we have another one here. In the lounge area, we have a window here and another window here, because we need a lot of daylighting, because this is the place we are going to spend most of our times. We will have some sitting area and we will watch TV and all those things. Then in the dining area, we have a window, one there and two in this wall. And we get to the kitchen area, where we have just a single window here, and we have one in the master bedroom and one in the washroom area for the master bedroom. So try to fit plan on this in the screen, and you look at it now. We have our doors in place and we have windows in place. So we've been able to place doors and windows on the plan. So that's how to place windows and doors on the plan. So we have our openings in place.